The Parky experiences dyskinesia in the lower extremities.
My toes won't stop moving.
That is deeply unsettling.
Oh no!
They've noticed.
The household predators mistakenly identify the toes as prey.
They think my foot is alive!
To be fair, it kind of is.
This is Parkinson's dyskinesia.
The cat's here. Forbidden moving toy.
Dyskinesia can cause involuntary movements, in this case, feline warfare.
I'm being hunted in my own home.
Nature is beautiful.
But honestly, sometimes Parkinson's symptoms are really weird.
And occasionally hilarious.
I never expected neurological symptoms to become a cat toy.
And yet, here we are.
The Parky attempts survival against tiny domestic hunters.
She's losing ground.
She persists despite becoming a cat toy.